Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and you're watching day 16 of the Hemline Sewing Advent Calendar. So day 16. Oh, now I want to mention, do have the new stove, and I love it because it cooks and I can bake stuff. Let's see, 16. Oh, nope. Here we go. Day 16. Oh. A black polyester thread, which I need to get back out to Joann's. Like I said, thread is always a good thing, and these will go into my little thread drawer. But I need to stop. I need to get in there and see if they've gotten metallic needles in yet. That is one I did check the pricing. I do believe it is cheaper for me to get it from Joann's than from Amazon. It is very rare that you can find something cheaper, but it does happen. Which, if I don't know if you guys do Kindle. I love that Kindle Unlimited. You know, stop by our store down below. Lots of neat little gifts. And I am looking forward to incorporating them all into my sewing room, which is something I need to work on today. We did go, my husband went with me for us to pick out some fabric for a blanket for a special person. And I ordered some embroidery designs from Designs by Juju. Really want to give them a shout out. I contacted them to see if they were okay if I use their designs on camera, and they were delighted. So I do have permission when the time comes, and I do want to say I love their product. One other thing I like about Designs by Juju is that they have some free items, so you can try them out and see if you like them. And right now they are doing a sale, and if you spend over, I think, $30, then you get this free bundle. And believe it or not, this month there was a couple things that I actually had in my wish list, so that was kind of neat. So be on the lookout for some other videos. Try It Tuesday, sewing, and for more days from my advent calendar. Lots more goodies to come. And the countdown it's getting real, y'all. It's getting there. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you'll find us on Facebook under Crazy Dave's Crew, the Crazy D Ranch and Rabbitry. Don't forget Sewing and Crocheting for Beginners or the Thursday Threads Book Club. If you like Avon products, check out Avon with Laura. And if you order from Amazon, go ahead and check out our Amazon store. No extra cost to you, but if you shop around our little store, look around, and then if you decide to buy, we do get a little bit of a commission. It does help out. Most importantly, I hope you will like, subscribe, and share our videos. That's the biggest compliment that you can give to us. Be sure to also check out my kids' advent calendars that they're also filming. I think they're starting to warm up a little bit. They're not quite as shy and, you know, withdrawn. I think they are starting to open up, and be sure to give them some thumbs up and some encouragement. I hope you are definitely getting into the Christmas spirit, the holiday spirit, the fun of this season. And sometimes family is not blood, and but blood family we are. I'm reminded of a Little House episode, and I'm wanting to say that it was in the first season, first or third season. Anyway, it was an old woman, and she and her friend, they both had the same birthdays. And none of the family could come for the birthday party, but her friend passed away. All of a sudden, everybody was able to come for the funeral. So she talked Charles and Caroline and the whole town to pretend that she had died. And all of a sudden, her family was able to find the time to come for the funeral. Of course, she was in attendance. So just remember, we don't want to only meet when we have a funeral. Let's kind of meet around the good times too. And I hope that is happening with you and your family. Have a wonderful afternoon. Happy crafting. And I will see you tomorrow when we open box 17. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to come back.